What if I told you the best real estate investment opportunities aren't in Toronto or Vancouver, but right here in Sudbury? I know. Sudbury isn't exactly topping the national headlines with investment buzz, but that's actually a good thing. While everyone's chasing overpriced condos in the big cities, smart investors are looking at mid-sized markets like ours, where you can still get cash flow, appreciation, and long-term growth. Today, we're diving into why Sudbury is one of Ontario's best kept secrets for building serious wealth through real estate. Let's zoom out for a second. Why do people keep turning to real estate as a long-term wealth play? You build equity while somebody else pays you for your mortgage. You build equity while somebody else pays for your mortgage. Your property tends to appreciate over time, especially in growing cities. It's a hedge against inflation. Your mortgage stays fixed for a while rents rise. And you can leverage it. Buy with 20% down, but get the benefit of 100% of the asset. Real estate isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting wealthy slowly and staying that way. And Sudbury's market makes that a whole lot easier. Here's why this place is such a solid investment. Affordability. You can still get duplexes, triplexes, and bungalows for a fraction that you'd cost. Cash flow potential. Unlike Toronto, where investors often go negative monthly, Sudbury has actual positive cash flowing properties. Like, you buy it and you actually make money. Steady growth. Our market isn't flashy, but it's stable. Prices have trended up over the last decade without wild swings. We might not get the 30% appreciation that some markets get, but we also don't get the 30% drops that those same markets get. Anchor institutions, Laurentian University, Health Sciences North, mining operations, the city's trade sector, these keep rental demand very steady. And lifestyle. The outdoor lifestyle is attracting retirees, families, and remote workers, which boosts long-term housing demands. Renovation return on investment. There are still tons of underpriced properties where little sweat equity equals major upside. Let's break it down by property type. Number one, duplexes and triplexes. Super popular with new and experienced investors. You get multiple streams of income, better cash flow, and house hacking potential. Number two, single family rentals. More hands off, lower turnover, perfect for long term appreciation. Often the tenants that move in treat it like their own home. It makes it usually a nice, easy investment, and it's great for families, especially where it's close to schools and parks. Number three would be student rentals. Laurentian is bouncing back, and student demand is always around us, especially with Cambrian and Boreal right in the heart of the city. These are usually bigger homes with multiple bedrooms, and it equals a very solid income. Number four, BRRR opportunities. Buy, renovate, rent, refinance, repeat. Sudbury is perfect for this model if you know what to look for. Number five, flip projects. Still doable if you're careful. Look for distressed homes in good areas, and make sure you budget like a pessimist. Now, not all neighborhoods are equal. Here are a few that are worth watching. Donovan and Flower Mill. Lower purchase prices, good potential for cash flow, but a little bit slower on appreciation right now. Minnow Lake and New Sudbury. Family friendly, stable rental demand. It's close to everything that you're going to need, and it's also close to Cambrian and Boreal. The downtown core. Being revitalized, although slower than all of us would like, but there is a lot of opportunity. Low purchase prices, especially for commercial investments, but there is a huge upside that's coming. Gatchel and the West End, often underrated, but they are close to everything, ideal for duplex conversions and multifamily investing. Garson and Valley East. Garson and the Valley, growing areas, growing very quickly. It's great for single family rentals and long-term tenants as well, and it has plenty of space for all you developers. Now let me be real. Investing here is great, but it's not foolproof. Things to watch out for: overpaying for a rental project that you can't finish, skipping inspections, whether it's an actual inspector or your favorite general contractor. Sudbury does have older homes, and surprises do happen. Not understanding the rental market, don't guess what the tenants want, don't guess how much they're willing to pay. And last, going in with no exit strategy. What happens if the market softens? Know your numbers, know your plan, and talk to people who actually invest here. Here's what long-term wealth through real estate really looks like: buying smart, managing wisely, and playing the long game. Sudbury isn't a place for hype or flashy headlines, but if you want steady growth, cash flow, and real returns, this market delivers. Investing isn't about luck. It's about knowledge, patience, and good guidance. So, is Sudbury a good place to invest? Absolutely. Should you jump in blind? Absolutely not. But if you want to build wealth, create financial freedom, or just start small and grow, this is the place to do it. Shoot me a message, let's grab a coffee, and let's run through some numbers together. Sudbury's growing, and there's room at the table for smart investors. Talk soon, and happy investing.